Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia 5.3 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this smartphone. Firstly, go into Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type in voice recorder. Now you can download this app from this developer and just open. Over here, select Continue, tap on while using the app and Allow. Then select Yes, I agree, and finally click on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. You can add a bookmark by clicking on this left button over here, typing wherever you wish to and choosing OK. If you wish to save your recording and end it, you can do that by tapping on this right button here. Then just save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my recording is here. You can rename it by holding it, choosing rename and typing wherever you wish to. Then click on OK to save your new recording name, and you can also delete it over here by holding it and tapping on this bin icon. Then choosing delete in the pop-up or clicking on those three dots over here, selecting delete at the bottom and confirming your choice in the pop-up as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!